from the bottom and the top of your format.
Okay.
And I'm looking at the top of her head, and I put a little line. I want her head to come kind of right here. I think I would like her body scooted over to the right a little.
Correct.
Just because of the direction her head is looking, and the skirt coming out there is really neat. And so then I'm going back up here, and I've drawn this line just from the top of the head to the widest point that I saw here, which was the skirt. Then I'm going to, it goes way down, doesn't it? And then from there, I'm going to angle back to the tip of the toes, because you want the toes in your format.
Yeah.
So I'm going to angle back and decide that I want about an inch and an inch, or something like that. And then I'm going to go both feet, which are the next little line there.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to go back up to the next widest point, which is the other side of the skirt. I'm not too good in your format here.
No, but I mean, that would be nice for it to hang off, too.
Well, yeah, it could. It could, if you had a bigger, and you were doing something like that. And then I got to go up to the next point, which is, I'm not going to cut in on the figure. I'm just going to go straight up to that shoulder. That would be the next. You just wanted to understand the envelope.
Yes.
And how, so I'd go up to that shoulder. From the shoulder, I'm going to go right back up to her head. You end up with a graphic shape that should look balanced any way you turn the format. So if I turn it that way, it should still look, it's placed neat. I kind of like it over here close. I think that the negative shapes there seem balanced. What's it do like that? That's kind of interesting there, too. So forget figure.
Yeah.
We're just thinking balance and shape here.
Okay.
So it's this graphic shape that we're having some fun turning all these ways, and it just, if it feels balanced, then you should be okay with it.
Okay.
So let's see. Here we are, back here. Then, to get the figure in there, you use the gesture. And you don't push too hard.
Okay.
So you try a size of a head, because I was showing somebody over here how you measure the whole body with head lengths.
Yeah, it's like 7 or 6.5.
Right, and so we make them memorize the head lengths of every area of the figure. So this is what they are. And I do this little simple symmetrical sketch.